Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today I'm here to share artist trading card fun with Jean at Lizzie Jean's Artistic Chaos, and I'll have her link down below so you can go check her out. I don't know if anybody else is doing these, but I am. I'm still doing them. I believe this week is, oh goodness, I have all my, it is large index card, and I think a large index card, I'm not sure if this is it, but this is a 4x6. I know they come bigger, but this is all I had, so I'm using this. So in my last video, I had shared an altered playing card with a whimsical house. And while I was sitting here, I'm like, oh, I might as well just do, the next prompt to Jean's open collaboration. And so I brought out my index card, the large one, the largest one I have, and I put some blue, it almost looks like clouds paper, and then this green, here they are, green polka dot, and it looks kind of yellow, but it's not, it's green. It's a green color, but you can't really tell. So I laid those down, and then I picked out three whimsical houses, and this one was the smallest, so I kind of put him in the background, and then these in the foreground. And then I added some of these punched out leaves from Martha Stewart that I I had in my container here, and added some lace. This is a word sticker from Dollar Tree. I had some lace that I added to it, and I stapled it with my mini attacher. And then I added this gold, I think I don't know what it is. It's a glitter gold heart that I had in my little trinket container here. And I go through this just like how I go through my containers first. And then if I can't find what I need, or I have something, I know I have something else, I will go in my other containers. But I normally go through that first. And I found this heart bauble. It's really dimensional, as you can see. And I just like how I just layered it on top of each other, and I thought it was really pretty. I inked the edges, corner around the corners, and that is my card for this week. I really love it. I mean, I even inked the edges of the fussy cut little houses. And I was going to put some stickles, but my stickles I think is dried up. Where is it? Here it is. It's kind of, I think, or is it empty? It could be empty as far as I know. I think this was like from the Dollar Tree, and I think this was like, it didn't have that much in there. So anyway, I was going to add some glitter to this. Maybe I might add some. I have to just find some more glitter. But yeah, that is my large index card for Artist Trading Card Fun, hosted by Jean. And I want to thank everybody for watching. Have a great week, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.